I want to introduce my Amazon pages about the supplement, creatine, to as many people as possible. So, I'm going to create an ebook about creatine and weight loss. Of course, writing an ebook requires a lot of time, so I'm going to use the Make My eBook app. This app uses AI, artificial intelligence, to do the actual writing. So, I'll fill in some details, enter a topic for the ebook, and let AI do the hard work. I'll have the ebook discuss the topic, is creatine good for weight loss? And I'll set the target audience as people interested in losing weight. I want the ebook to be of an informational style. The first thing the Make My eBook app does is to suggest some possible titles for the ebook. Usually the first suggestion is exactly what I'm looking for. So, I'll choose the first suggested title. The app will proceed to come up with some chapter titles. Again, it also does a great job here. So, we can just proceed to get our ebook created. The next step is where the real work gets done. The app does its research, looking for information about the subject of each chapter. As you can see, it works one chapter at a time, and this takes a few minutes for each chapter. So, I'll pause the video until it completes the ebook. And here we have our ebook. The text has been written and is ready for us to proofread and make changes. As you can see, the app did a fine job of building our ebook. This would have taken me at least a week to complete. But, here we are in just a few minutes. To make the ebook look nicer, I'm going to add some images and headings. As you can see, there is a built-in editor right in the Make My eBook app. But, I'm going to use a free editor that is much more powerful to make my changes. After saving the ebook as a doc file, we'll use the free, Word-like app, LibreOffice. This app has most of the features of the Microsoft Office application. So, we'll start out looking over the ebook, checking identified spelling problems. Because the ebook uses some words that are not in the app's vocabulary, I'll add most of them to the app's dictionary. In addition to making these corrections, it becomes clear that some editing or upgrading should be done to make the ebook look more appealing. I'm going to create a cover image with the ebook's title. I'll change each chapter title to the typical H1 heading. This will help when I generate the table of contents. And, as I read through the text, I'll add some H2 headings to help the reader know what's coming up next. As I read through the ebook, I noticed that there is nothing about time-restricted eating. I've found that limiting the hours of eating to 6 or 8 hours, for several days each week, to be very effective for weight loss. So, I'll also add a few paragraphs about time-restricted eating to the ebook. Now, after several hours of work, I have a final version of my ebook. Yes, it does take some work to get the ebook into shape. But, I've saved probably several weeks of time letting the AI Make My eBook app do most of the difficult tasks of doing the research, and writing about the topic of how creatine helps in losing weight. I created an image with the ebook title, got a table of contents, and each chapter starts with an image. I've also added several headings in each chapter to help make it more readable. At the end of each chapter, I added an image letting the reader know that they can get more information about creatine by clicking the image. The link goes to my Amazon affiliate site, which discusses various topics, including creatine. Finally, it's time to save the ebook as a PDF that can be passed on to readers. Within LibreOffice, I select to export the document as a PDF. This gives me a number of options. The images I added to my ebook were rather large, and I resized them to fit. This means the images have more information than they need to in order to be displayed in the PDF. So, I'll choose options to reduce the information in the images. This will make the ebook smaller in terms of the number of megabytes it takes up. Now, let's get a look at the ebook. I've already scrolled through some of it. So, we'll start back at the beginning. Let's test one of the images at the end of a chapter. Will it take me to my affiliate website? Yes, it does. My ebook is looking good and working well. You've seen the power of AI to create an ebook in minutes. With a little effort on your part, you'll have an amazing ebook you could use as a lead magnet to gain subscribers. Or, you could give it away to bring visitors to any site of your choice. To gain access to this powerful app, just follow the link in the description and let me know you are interested.